anong plus factor pag si Casey ang katrabaho?
Well, well, she's been, I mean, she's very dedicated also to her craft, aside from the fact that she's really pretty and beautiful. And she's been getting awards, she's been winning awards dire-diretso since last year. And I think, siguro the plus factor, parang she doesn't just come with her looks, but also with talent.
Anong feeling na parang yung closeness niyo o friendship niyo ni Casey parang serye na inaabangan ng latest.
Talaga?
Ano na ang update?
Hindi. Kumbaga parang masaya ang mga tao.
Oo, nakaabang.
Yung pagkasama. How do you feel about that?
Parang inaabangan nila yung
Anong level yung susunod?
Well, yan, parang we're just busy rin with work. Kumbaga, start na rin yata siya sa show niya. Ako, I've been doing so many things. Pero, well, we'll see kung saan pupunta or ano